Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Karen here and I'm back with another video. I did a little shopping over the weekend online and in store, so I thought that we can do an unboxing, and while I'm showing you the products I can also put them on my face. So I already prepped my eyebrows because it's not a new product, and I already set them with some concealer, and this is a new concealer and I'm really excited to show you guys a new concealer for me anyway. So let's get right into the video. If you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below and subscribe, join the family. It's Karen's Corner. I got a lot of new subscribers on my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and please let me know if you guys want to see a video from me. I will definitely put that out there for you guys, so definitely keep on watching, and thank you so much. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I picked up, I went online and purchased some things from Sephora. Not that many things, because honestly I was just picking up some fillers because I needed some setting spray and some foundation. So let me see, I'm a little stuffy guys, so please forgive me. So the first thing I picked up was the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Spray, and it looks like this. And I never tried this spray out before. I've always ever used the Morphe setting spray or the MAC setting spray. So this is how it looks. I've heard some great things about it, so I definitely want to try it out today in today's video. And it looks really thick. I wasn't expecting it to look that thick. And it has a spray bottle that you just pump like that. So I'm so excited because I was running low on my MAC spray, so I was like, you know what, and I had no more of my Morphe spray. I was literally down, like just trying to get anything out. So I was like, let me see if this can be another setting spray that I like. And the next item I picked up, which is long overdue, is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I'm so excited to try this out. I've been wanting to get it so bad, but I just had so many other foundations that I had to use first because I didn't want to waste anything. So I got the color Sable. So what is great about the Sephora app is I was able to tell them what color I was in one of my other foundations that I purchased, and based on that color they matched me up with Sable. So I was so excited about that little trick on the app, and I really appreciated that. So let's see if it really matches. So that's what I got from Sephora. Let me show you what I picked up from Ulta. So Saturday I went into the Ulta store and I was like, let me just pick up a few things. My daughter was going in, it was her birthday, and she wanted to pick up a few items. And you can never leave Sephora, Ulta without purchasing anything. So I forgot that they have the Morphe collection now in store, so I picked up 2 of the continuous setting spray, which I absolutely love. So I picked up 2 because they go out so fast between myself and my daughter, who is 17, using my products. So I bought her one and I picked myself up one, and we love this stuff. So now I have 2 setting sprays that I can use, but this is more of an everyday, and I think the Makeup Forever will be more if I want to get glammed or go out somewhere. So got that. And then they were having a sale for the Revolution Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. So the deal was you buy 2 and you get 1 free. But I didn't know that until after I left the store. So tomorrow I have to return something there. So I'm definitely going to pick up my 3rd one for free because I bought 2. I have my receipt. So I purchased the color C16. This is what it looks like here. I will say the colors are a little deceiving in the bottle because I was thinking I could highlight with this shade here, which is C16, and it's definitely not a highlight for me. It can be like a corrector for me. And then I chose C13 if I wanted more of a lighter highlight. So those are the colors I chose. I did my eyes with it, and I think they're super blendable, so I'm so excited to use it in today's video. And last but not least, I also forgot that Ulta is coming through. First they had, I was just so amazed because I haven't been in Ulta. I'm a Sephora girl. I will say I'm a VIB. I love Sephora. So I was like, you know, I'm cheating on Sephora, but let me see what they have. And I was pleasantly surprised by Ulta. They had ColourPop, Morphe, Kylie. I was just like turned around. I was like, wow, I haven't been in here forever, and they're bringing the heat. So Sephora, I need y'all to step your game up, because they are bringing a lot of affordable brands to Ulta, and it's great. But so I picked up the Kylie Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the color Punk, and here's how it looks. But unfortunately, I'm going to take it back, and I will show you why. So this is how it looks in the bottle, and when I put it on, it is super dark. It almost looks like a black lipstick on me, and I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to waste time and have to take it off. But I'm definitely going to take it back, and I'm going to go ahead and exchange it for a lighter color, because I was looking for a mauve color, which I thought this was, but when I opened it up, it was much darker. So that's everything I purchased from Ulta. So let's get started on the foundation. So I went ahead and primed with my YSL primer. You already know the Blur primer, that's my favorite. And let's go in with the foundation. Hair's coming apart at the seams, so I'm really gonna get that into my hairline. I really like it. I think it gives me a great base to start building product. So next I'm gonna go in with C13 for the Revolution makeup, and the concealer, the Revolution concealer, and go ahead and try and start to highlight. Alright, feels very creamy, light. When I think about concealer, I think of it being a little thicker, but it's definitely like gliding on. And now I'm gonna go in with my E8 brush, which is a smaller brush here, and just blend that out. I definitely like this concealer. It blended out like a charm. Oh, this is wonderful. Just look at that. Oh. I know that Nikki Tutorials uses these products, but wow, that was like beautiful. Okay. And I think that was the perfect color for my highlight, because I don't like a super light highlight. I just like to have a more subtle highlight. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with a product that is not new to me. It is the what is this? Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder, and it is in the color yellow. And I'm just gonna not bake, but I'm just going to buff this into my highlighted area. Excuse me. Of course, I want to get all that excess powder off, and I'm just gonna slightly start buffing that into my skin. So I think it just gives you such an airbrush feel when you do that. Oh, I love this powder. I will say the Beauty Bakery powder does give me a little flashback, but look at my face. It is so freaking flawless. Ugh. I am in love with this powder. Okay. Woo. Oh, love this powder, you guys. So after that, I'm going to go in and try my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, and I just like to do this after I put the powder on so I don't become cakey, but actually before that I'm just going to buff the rest of my face with my Laura Mercier powder in medium deep. And now that my face is all matte, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, and I'm gonna do that now. But look at my face, you guys. It's so flawless. Like, I feel like with the foundation, I'm not wearing any foundation, and I'm shook. I hate to say that word because it's so overplayed, but I'm like really a little taken aback at how great this foundation looks. Whew. Okay, now I'm just going to contour, and I always contour with the same product, and that is the Fenty Matchstick in Espresso, and I'm going to do that really quick. This is nothing new. It's not a new product, so I'm really not going to talk about it, but if you guys want to hear my thoughts on the Matchstick, definitely watch my other videos. It is very easy to use, very easy to blend, and I think it's worth it. I don't know. I've been using it ever since it came out, and this is the only concealer I will use to contour. If you guys can think of a better concealer, please let me know. And I was going to actually purchase the NARS foundation because I was watching Jackie Aina's channel and she was raving about it, but then when I went on there, they didn't have my shade, so I was like, okay, y'all don't get my coins today. Too Faced gets the coins today. I'm gonna go and finish my face, and then we will close out the video. Alright guys, so off camera I did a little eye, and I got a little carried away, but that's okay because I love these eyeshadows, and I'll list everything that I use down below in the description box. I also put on a little lip. If you want to see me talk about this lip, I will leave the video down below because these are the Maybelline new lip colors that they came out with, which I'm absolutely living for. I did a little highlight, not too much highlight, because I'm into a subtle highlight now. Before, when highlight was first popping, I wanted to lather it on my face, but so they could see me from the moon. But now I just like a really subtle highlight. So I'm so happy that I finally got my life together and bought the Born This Way foundation. Now I believe these are the colors that Jackie Aina had something to do with. If I'm wrong, please let me know. But this foundation literally feels like skin. Feels like I have nothing on my face. And I want to talk about these concealers, because these concealers are one of the most blendable and beautiful concealers I've had in a really long time. Like, I love the Fenty concealer, but I just feel like this melted into my skin. And this concealer was $7. Buy two, get one free, going on now at Ulta. But this concealer I really like. So I'm so glad that you guys seen my purchases. You also see me do a look today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see something else like this, or comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, because you know your girl, I'm trying to come up in this cold world, you know what I'm saying? So I am so that's the one thing I'm mad because I'm not going anywhere, because I really love this look. You know that feeling you get when you have some new products at your fingertips and you just want to play. This is how I feel, and I'm so happy that I got these purchases. And when I do another haul, because my birthday is Friday, so I will be shopping again, I will let you guys know. Maybe I'll vlog it. Who knows? But y'all gotta be a part of the channel so you can know what's going on with Karen's little corner. Little corner, all to the corner. So anyway, guys, I could ramble on for hours. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Please let me know what you guys think. And let me know if there's something else I should be trying that I'm missing. That's all for this channel. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Talk to me. Talk to your girl. Follow my Instagram. It'll be listed down below. Love you guys. Have a great day. Peace.